Video marketing is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. It allows companies to connect with their audience in a more personal and engaging way, and can help boost brand awareness, website traffic, and ultimately, sales. Video marketers get 66% more qualified leads per year, and 92% of video marketers say they've received a positive ROI from their videos. While it may require some initial investment in terms of time and resources to make a video, once it's created, it can be used and shared repeatedly, making it a highly effective marketing style that leaves a lasting impression. Here are several different ways of incorporating both long-form and short-form video into your marketing strategy. Product demos. Creating videos that demonstrate how a product works, along with highlighting its features and benefits, can be a great way to showcase your products. This helps your customers to become more familiar with your product catalog and leads to a more informed purchase. Customer testimonials. Sharing positive customer experiences through video can build trust and credibility. These videos can be more engaging and authentic than a simple written testimonial or review. Behind-the-scenes content. Pull back the curtain and offer a glimpse into your brand's world. This can include sharing how products are made, company culture, or even day-to-day operations. This type of content can create a personal connection with customers as it brings them along on the journey. Collaborations. Partner with talented content creators to showcase your products. Content creators can help reach a wider audience while lending credibility to your brand and building a buzz around your business. Interviews. Film interviews with other industry experts to really provide value for your audience and customers. Not only will you give a double dose of knowledge, but you'll also tap into the other person's audience while building your network. Webinars. Organizing a live webinar is a cost-effective way to facilitate direct engagement with customers while teaching them all about your product. Webinars are also the perfect space to collect feedback and valuable insights from attendees. User-generated content. Encourage customers to create and share their own videos while incorporating your products. This type of video content is highly authentic and can influence potential buyers more effectively as it provides a more genuine take on your products. Educational content. Create videos that educate your audience about your industry, trends, or how to make the best use of your products. Imagine you sell camping gear. If you create videos about the best hiking tips or top camping food ideas, camping enthusiasts will naturally flock to your social media accounts and website. This positions your brand as an expert in the field. Live streaming. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for live product launches, intimate Q&A sessions, events, and more. Live streaming can create a sense of urgency and exclusivity while making your audience feel like they're a part of the conversation. Implementing a combination of these strategies can help create a more dynamic and engaging digital presence, ultimately driving sales and building a stronger brand. Keep in mind that it's important to consider your target audience and overall goals when selecting the type of video content you'll be creating. Whether you're a solo brand, a small startup, or a large corporation, video marketing should be a key component of your marketing strategy. For more marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel and sign up for our email newsletter where we give away free marketing resources and more.